the address areas, this is their main address, okay?
Mhm.
But maybe they've got some investment properties as well. So I can click on add new, and I can put in investment, and let's put in 300 or 300
Main Street.
Main Street, Main Street, 65613. And then we had added, I also added this option here for main address. If I check this, it will take this address and put it as the main address now. But in this case, I don't want to do that. I'm just going to click on save. So now I've got 2 different addresses in here. If I want this address to be the main address, I can just select it. So I click on it and it will replace the address for me. If I choose that I want to use this one, then I set it back. So this always gives you the ability to switch which is the main address for this contact. Just like we were able to click on the icon here, I can come here to this address and click on it and say directions to get the direction to it, or I can click on add to properties. So if I click on add to properties here, now I go to that and it creates the same property or another property for the same people.
Nice.
So that's there. Likewise, once it's added, then you can click on view property. So making that connection back. And this is doing a lookup, because what happens then is once you sell this property, this address of the property stays the same, but the owners change out. And we're still working on getting that finalized process completed. But once that changes out, then that address would go away from this contact and it'll go on to another contact, in which case they would then be able to go to the view properties on that. I do plan on having a properties tab down here to see all the properties that they've ever been a party member to, but and we may link it somehow to the party members. I've not completed that piece. But it's just a quick way to switch between contacts and properties and making sure that you've got those in there.